So Naomi, what are we doing today?
We're going to the grocery store to buy plants because going to an actual greenhouse is too expensive.
Also, they seem to suck. Remember the ones that we bought a couple years ago that just died from the greenhouse? Jeez.
Yep.
So on our way to get plants, we're stuck in a traffic jam. I wonder what happened.
Like almost gridlock traffic, and it's 10:04 a.m. There's no reason for it to be gridlocked, but
The phone can even show the...
whatever.
It's 10:04 a.m. Maybe they heard that there's a lot of amazing deals on new plants for gardens, and everyone's going to get them.
There's literally no deals, it's just that there's plants.
Well, they've been sold out every other year we've done this. Oh my god, the student driver stuck in this.
Yep. And there's an actual, student in there. We looked. But
Feels bad, man.
yeah, I would probably be panicking a lot if I was in my student driving days stuck in, this much traffic. I'd be like, oh no, what do we do?
Naomi, do you want jalapenos?
No.
They're sweet green peppers.
Which we're not going to go through enough of, even if we should only get 3.
You can't take 6.
Well, that's what you get.
Actually, those were kind of moldy.
We're shopping at
Costco.
Oh, look at all the pretty plants.
There are no cucumbers. Oh, there are. They're organic though. So with GameStop in the distance there, you can see that we're coming to get the new Zelda game. However, we're also here to grab some plants. Not at GameStop, obviously. Because those preliminary plants that we grabbed, I guess we got them way too early or something because...
They're dead.
They died.
Dead.
Frost.
Dead.
Either the heat got them or the frost got them, or it was probably frost actually because it's been warm but not that warm. So we gotta go get new plants. By the way, if we're late for the Tears of the Kingdom stream, this is why.
I blame Dev.
So Naomi, it's slim pickings once again. We get many different kinds of tomatoes and many different kinds of peppers. So what do you feel like? Oh, we can have beans too. How did the chard work out, by the way? I recall it being okay last year. Wasn't it?
Yes.
We can get more of that.
Sure.
Rather than kale?
Sure.
Since we still have a bunch of frozen kale in the freezer?
Yep.
We gotta eat more of that, you know? Okay, so let's try to go with maybe less plants this time because we really jammed them in there last year, right? What kind of tomato do you want? Do you want heirloom tomatoes? Do you want sauce tomatoes?
I don't want sauce tomatoes.
No? Do you want slicer tomatoes?
Sure.
Let's say we get 4 tomatoes.
How many did you get last year?
Either 6 or 8, and it was too many. And now let's grab 4 peppers. Let's try to find some spicy ones.
No spicy peppers.
Do you want a sweet bell pepper then, or do you just want a bell pepper?
What's the difference?
I guess this one's sweeter, but these ones are colored.
Well, then let's get
Even
this.
though that's racist.
You're racist.
You can also just get sweet peppers. Well, these are the shepherd peppers.
Why don't we just get one of each?
One of each type of pepper?
Why not make stuffed peppers for me, Devs, to see if I like it?
Is that because you just watched that episode of House where they had stuffed peppers? I'll grab one of these and one of those.
Yeah.
What are these?
The same.
These are Brussels sprouts.
No.
There's the chard. Yeah, those, yeah.
Because we picked up the Swiss chard really late last year and it worked out fine.
Yes. You know what? I never grow beans before. I want to try growing beans this year. It's something new.
Then you were not getting peas.
Yeah, we won't get peas this time. We'll just get beans. Let's grab some of these bean plants here. Let's try them out, actually. Do they grow like vines, or I don't know?
Looks like it. It's like Jack and the Beanstalk, Dev.
A stringless snap bean that matures early and offers superior flavor. You know what? It's worth a shot. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. We say we tried it. So this is our collection of stuff. These 4 chards, that entire tray of things.
This tray.
Yeah, you have to thumbs up the camera. You're really bad at that, you know?
I am, yeah.
We're back home. As you can see, the garden is not open yet. And because we have to go and play the new Zelda game, I can't do that today. So, I'm just gonna use a water bottle. Well, it's a spray bottle full of water. Don't worry, that's not actually cleaner. It is water in there. And I'm just gonna mist them for now. And tomorrow we'll open the garden up. That's the plan. Oh, hi, Naomi. Wait, why are you leaving? It's the next day, bright and early, and we are going to set this up. There's a few things we got to do first. First, this door. I know we've been using doors this whole time, but it's got to be replaced. I'll probably have to do something with the lattice as well. That's lasted about 4 or 5 years, but it's also not looking so good. And I guess meanwhile, Naomi, do you want to till?
Sure.
You want to do mix all this leaf stuff in? So I picked up this board because I guess we are past the point of using doors for the garden walls, and I've got to put this. I think it's the right size. This is going to be the new front wall of the garden. Now that I'm looking at it, though, it might be a bit too long. I'll have to cut it. Naomi's raking right beside me, and I can already tell there's a very earthy smell coming out of the garden. I'm pretty sure I can just reuse the same screws, too, so I'll just take them out. Okay, this should just come off now. I think I've gotten all the... Come on. Did I miss a screw? Or is it just really in there? It's just really in there. Oh no, all the soil. I'm just ripping the door. What I have to do now, I think, is just shovel this earth back because it's all going to come out. I'm realizing this now stupidly. Here's the whole door. It finally came out. And so, shovel this back, put the new wood in. That's the plan. I know we eyeballed it at the store, Naomi, but it's probably fine, right? See, that's kind of close to fine. What do you think?
Looks good.
Just slightly too long. I can just screw that into the deck and into this wooden piece here. And this end looks pretty good too. It's just the overlap, which I can easily get rid of. I'll just saw it out later. That's a big pile of leaves, Naomi. Are you jumping in?
No, there's probably bugs in there.
There we go. And there it is. It's in. I'll just cut off the end piece later. I think the next thing to do is bring compost in from over there, eh? That's right before the compost. I want to try and shore up this. You can see it's just... I kept it there using bungee cords, but they've long since... Those are like 4 years ago. They're done. I might just rescrew it. There we go. Now, I don't think there was a second screw down here. It doesn't look like it. I thought it might have been this one for a minute, but that's actually that screw there that's broken. See? Because the garden's slowly coming apart. Now this thing's 7 or 8 years old, so I'm not surprised, but I don't want to put too much money into it because we might actually be leaving. And I've said that a lot over the years, but it might actually happen now, so I'm just going to try to hold this together as best I can for 1 more year. So since screwing it is not going to work anymore, all the wood's too rotted and too old, I dug a hole, and I'm going to put a patio stone in there, because we have a bunch of them lying around. And that'll be enough to prop it up for 1 more year. I'm not surprised it rotted. It's, the stuff's basically made of, like, housing materials that we scavenged back when I couldn't afford to do a real garden. But there, just shove that in there. It'll be okay, I'm sure. Okay, Naomi. It's gross compost time once again. Are you excited?
No.
Let's see what we got this time. Let's open it up. It's always hard to open every year. And there it is. Look at all that good earth. Let's shovel that in. And here we go. Naomi's well on her way with tilling. So you can just till in the new earth. And then it'll be time to plant. Okay, so Naomi, this time for the manure, I'm just using some junky scissors we have lying around, not the actual kitchen scissors.
Wow, you're so thoughtful.
Open up. I think that's why I don't use these. They don't cut worth shit. Open up. I can't believe, Naomi, you would delegate me to low-quality scissors.
Deserved.
Covered in poop.
Deserved.
So the plan is, since we got less plants this year because we were crowding the garden too much, we have the beans, not peas this time.
They'll go with the lettuce. The chard will probably go here, because that's the easiest place we can snip it for salads. Tomatoes will go in the back, because they do like some shade. And the peppers will go right here. We have 4 of each, so way less. And at some point we'll get cucumbers and they'll go in that corner again to grow on this lettuce. You're pretty much done with the tilling, aren't you? I guess I'll start planting then. Okay, if you've seen the previous garden videos, you've seen me do this, so I'm not going to go into super high detail. Always dig with your hands. Ooh, it's kind of tough. Maybe I won't dig with my hands. Okay, hold on. Sometimes you need a spade, but usually I just dig with my hands. Chop the earth up so it's soft. When you put it back in, it's harder for plants to go through tough dirt. I'll grab the pepper plant. Tears right there. Come on. It's tough doing this one-handed. There's pepper plant. Get a handful of the manure. There it is. Throw it in there. Plant. Dirt. Now just repeat for everything. And there we go. That's everything. I'll just water it all up. But yeah, take a look. The chard, the tomatoes, the peppers, and the beans, not peas this time, they're all in. The last thing to do is to get some cucumbers and put them in that spot there. I can't wait to see how it turns out this year. You know what? When I was cleaning up, I noticed something. Growing on the side of the tray that I grabbed the chard from was an extra little chard plant in the excess dirt on the tray. I wonder if this will grow. It looks kind of ratty, but I'll make an extra spot in the middle of the 4 chards. Real quickly here. Manure in. And then, let's see if I can just like scrape. Can I just, There, I'll just put it in. Let's see if this actually... I don't think this will work out, but I'm kind of curious. Oh no, I'm going to get 4.
I don't have room for 4.
Yes, we do.
You need to get less peppers.
No, there's... I had 6 at every plant last year. I'm getting 4 every plant this year. Sometimes, Naomi, your ideas are wrong.
Sometimes I'm always right, and then you never...
Sometimes I'm always right.
Sometimes I'm always right.
That means that it's not sometimes.
Yeah, I know.
It means that it's not always.
I know. You're so mean to me. Never
God damn it.
Listen to my ideas.
Okay, I'm going to do it right now, Naomi.
Yeah.
And then I'm going to yell at you later for it.
Sure. I'll be right, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Because I'm always right.
You're carrying them.